This is a portable high-speed jet fan. It just comes in this box. First thing you would get is a little case, a couple cards, your little jet fan. So this is red. It's pretty cool looking. It's a nice color. Able to charge it. Your button is right there. A fan on the back. You just hold this button down. This piece that comes with it, a Type-C. Take this out and you have some brushes down there. So it's pretty simple to change. You just pop that off and you pop this on. If you want to switch it up, you can. So you also have this one. So I think we'll use this one a lot, but this is mainly for like your computer, your keyboard, mouse, dusting off stuff like that, or the windows or stuff. But you can also use it to like try to blow up an air mattress or something, maybe cooking. You can try to use it for multiple different things. It doesn't just have to be for your computer parts. I think we're gonna use it mainly for dusting off stuff, but it's supposed to be strong enough and it's supposed to be really powerful and to do other things also.